None of us like waking up groggy, right? Your sleeping position might be the sneaky culprit. Turns out, sleeping on your back isn't doing you any favors. It can increase snoring or even cause your airway to collapse, leading to something called a hypoxic event. Dr. Walker suggests getting curious about your snoring habits. Try using an app like SnoreLab to monitor your nighttime breathing. It'll give you a visual report of your snoring distribution by morning. 8 Sleep's pod covers can also detect snoring. Fun fact, 8 Sleep sponsors Huberman Lab. If you find out you snore, consult your doctor. A whopping 80% of people with sleep apnea don't know they have it. Treating sleep apnea can transform your mental and physical health. And hey, if you enjoy a nightcap, be aware it might make your snoring worse. Switch up your sleep position and check your snoring. Your health will thank you.